When I first came to Saginaw Valley State University, it was to be a field supervisor for student teaching. And through that process, I was really starting to become familiar with the research of adverse childhood experiences, or ACEs. So I spent a summer kind of going around and trying to see what other universities are addressing this. How are we equipping future teachers to really be able to address the concerns that we're seeing in the classroom, the burnout rate from teachers, from their own experiences, and then manifesting in their relationship with students that have high ACEs. No one was doing it. We couldn't find anything. And so it was exciting to be able to say, well, let's kind of take this on and let's kind of see what this would look like in terms of creating a course to be able to specifically address ACEs and how it impacts education. Through some advocacy and the College of Ed being so willing to listen, we were able to create the Trauma Responsive in Education course, which is one of the first classes to ever exist in the state to support future educators, and it really is a multidisciplinary course. It was actually co-taught with social work, and from that course, we have had so many districts begin to approach SVSU and say, how can you help us in our schools? We are having kids with such significant need. We're having teacher burnout. And so from that came SVSU RISE, which stands for Resiliency in Students and Educators. And it really is about going into local districts and saying, how can we come and provide you both the information, but also come alongside you and coach you through this. And that's what RISE does. This is such an opportunity for SVSU to come a part of a greater work. Like, this is something that is being addressed nationally, internationally, worldwide. There is more and more growing research about understanding how trauma and toxic stress impacts our health, impacts our ability to be able to live the life that we want to be able to live as adults. It's just really exciting to be a part of a greater work.